Today we're going to be looking at how to use reminders on the Mac. Basically, this is going to help you remind you to do things and other things like that, just to organise your day. So first of all you want to do is come down here to reminders, or open up Launchpad and open up reminders. Now as you can see here, we have no reminders inputted into our system. So to create a reminder, all you have to do is come up here to the plus. We'll just make this as a test reminder, like so. And you can add little notes if you want, or you can add some tags. But one of the more important features that I think is adding a date. So we can add it to today. And along with the date, we can also add a time. So I want to set something for maybe a very specific time, like let's say 11:30. And there we are. That is that reminder now set up. And basically, when it comes to that time of day, it'll remind you to do that thing. It's very simple. Another good thing about reminders is you can have other lists. So here's a list that I've set up called to do. In this list I could set up to go shopping. Just type that in. We'll add the date as today, and we'll make that like half an hour later. You can also add locations onto reminders as well if you want. And as you can see here, by clicking the information, you can also get things like when you're at the location, and also when messaging a person. You can also have a reminder to repeat. You can also set a priority level if you want, but I never really use the priority level. I typically just set my things into lists. The other good thing about reminders is that they sync along with your iPhone or iOS device. And what I'll just do now is quickly, I'll just open up my iPhone and go to the reminders app. So as you can see here, I'm now in my iPhone, and you see we've got our test reminder set for the 11:30, and you can also see our to-do reminder. I put a new reminder on to-do list on the to-do section, which is, we'll just have go for a walk, and we'll add a time, and we'll put that later in the day. And as you can see now on our Mac, that's synced up. That is one of the really powerful elements of reminders, is as long as you sign in on the same Apple account on all your devices, that they will sign up and remind you on your different devices. You'll get the notifications for reminders on the Mac just in the notifications section. At the moment we obviously, that by accident, we haven't got any just because none of our notification reminders have gone off just yet. But to simply mark a notification off, all you do is click the little dot there and it'll disappear in a few seconds. And then as you can see over here, it's doing its thing and it'll sync up with the iPhone and whatever Apple devices that you have. One other interesting thing about to-do list is that you can actually share a list with other people. You can airdrop it, copy the link, or send it in a message to them. So you used to, if you were like, you wanted to share your reminders with someone, maybe it's like a work thing or something, you can easily do that. But we're not going to do that right now. So that is basically the basics of reminders on how they work. Different people can edit them if you've shared the link. So that's basics on how to use reminders. It's a very powerful tool for keeping you organised during your day. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.